Good evening, folks. Eli at Kingsbridge Performance and 4x4. Tonight I've got for you a very special Range Rover Sport. It's a 2019 with just over 15,000 miles on. It's a one owner car, one private owner from new, and it's absolutely stunning. Very unique colour combination and loaded with options in addition to the already very high Autobiography specification. Our detailers machine polished the entire car, so it's gleaming, as you can see, like a mirror. We've had some additional Kingsbridge enhancements done to give it that special touch and make it stand out. So first of all, full privacy glass with the addition of a light tint to the fronts. All gloss black wheels, gloss black centre nut covers, gloss black wheel nut covers, gloss red painted brake calipers all round. You've got the electronic deployable side steps on this vehicle as well. The headlights have been done with a tinted PPF as well to give it a nice smoky finish to go with the rest of the car. You've got the full black pack everywhere else with the gloss black lettering and grills, including to the bonnet and side vents. It looks superb. Very stealth, very cool. LED rear lights. You've got the gloss black Range Rover lettering at the back, the Autobiography badge. What a stunning bit of kit. Great spec. It's got 7 seats. It's the 7-seat option. It's got the panoramic roof, of course, deployable side steps. You've also got the deployable tow bar on this one and the head-up display. Really desirable options to have. It's nice to see on this one all the side steps are unmarked. A lot of these, the side steps, all the paint's been chipped off because it's been worn. This one is not. You've got the blind spot assist in the mirrors there. So I'll just switch the car off and you can see the colour of the lights without the lights on. Okay. Look at that, so it's beautiful because you've got the black exterior, all black exterior, and then you've got the two-tone interior, which just lift it a little bit and makes it that bit lighter. Really nice colour combination. You've got the alcantara on the headlining as well, also in the light colour, which lifts the interior, makes it, doesn't feel closed or hemmed in, feels really nice and bright and airy. So showing you the front headlights, so they've got this tinted PPF, so paint protection film, but with a slight tint to it, which just gives it that all black menacing look. I think it looks fantastic personally. If you agree, I'm sure you'll be on the phone wanting to buy it, and if you don't, then, well, can't keep everyone happy all of the time. But yeah, let's go round to the interior. So like I said, it's all been detailed by our in-house detailers. It looks fantastic, it's gleaming. You've got the power tailgate, of course. You've got the 7 seats there. You've got a third row, which you can lift up with these buttons here. And then, of course, you've got the deployable tow bar here, which is very useful to have. You've got the air suspension, which you can raise and lower, which is great. You've got these hooks here for bags and shopping, etc. Got a 12-volt socket there. Yeah, all really good stuff. You've got the parcel shelf, load cover space, load cover in place, all the original tyre inflation kit, etc. Locking wheel nuts, all there as it should be. See there the Alcantara headlining and the panoramic roof. Going on to the interiors, you've got the Meridian sound system. You've got this lovely brushed steel and gloss black finish to the switches. You've got the illuminated sill plates. You've got the buttons there to lift the seats forward. Supremely comfortable seats, really nice to sit in. You've got heated rear seats and climate control for the rear. You've got sockets there as well so people can plug stuff in. If you pull down the centre armrest, you've got cup holders and storage. You've got those lights there, and of course you've got the grab handles here as well. Moving on to the front passenger The front driver's side, which is where all the action happens, of course, the business end. You've got the illuminated sill plates. Range Rover, you've got the multiple different adjustments for the driver's and passenger seats with memory settings. You've got the winged headrests as well, which you can adjust. You've got the Meridian sound system again, the wing mirrors, windows, etc., all there as you'd expect it to be. You've got this lovely Autobiography steering wheel with the brushed steel trim inset into the wheel, which makes it really nice place to be in. And you've also got this perforated leather on the inside. Special to the Autobiography only, you don't get that on the other ones. You've got automated steering column there, and piano gloss black finish, mirror polished by our detailer, looks fantastic. Here you've got your centre armrest with storage, SD card, USB cards, and if you pull second button you can access the fridge with 2 different temperature settings. In here, glove box 1, glove box 2, of course you've got your book pack, 2 keys, etc. Cup holders there. Got this lovely frameless rear view mirror, got your armrests here as well, and of course your vanity mirrors in the sun visors. Right, let's close the door. So obviously it's all digital, you can see everything's blacked out on the new Range Rover, so you literally just start it up and everything comes to life. Screen pops out, these buttons illuminate, you've got the heated steering wheel, lane assist, adaptive cruise control, etc. Your various different menu functions can be controlled with these buttons here. And of course you've still got your electric air suspension that can be adjusted. Your various different modes are perfect for driving in the current conditions. We're full of snow, you can put it in snow mode, and it's one of the best cars out there to handle snow with the correct tyres on. So yeah, full digital dash, you've got speed limit display, you've got the head-up display there, which you can see, which just shows you speed limit of the road and of course the speed you're travelling at. And then you've got your digital dash there, you've got your climate control, and then seats. So let's look at these. So you've got heated, that's cooled, and then if you want to adjust it to heated, you can put it to heated as well. So that's both front seats are heated and cooled. If you press it again, you can then adjust the rear seats there, heated only. You've got heated front windscreen, so you've got the actual heating element in the screen, and obviously you can turn that on, although the car turns it on automatically when it senses the temperature is low. Very clever. Vehicle, so you can adjust your different driving modes, as I mentioned. This is probably the grass, gravel, snow is probably the best program if you are driving through thick snow as we are having up north at the moment. And then of course you've got things like dynamic mode, which is great if you want to drive it a bit more sporty. Of course you've got over 300 horsepower, so loads of power in this car as well, with still reasonable fuel economy. Now the media system, you've got the surround view cameras. You can obviously change what picture you want displayed, so if you don't want the 360, etc., you can alter all that. Parking sensors, of course. Excuse me. Low traction launch off, that's perfect if you're trying to get up a hill with which has got snow on it. Drive assist, off-road information, etc. So loads of different stuff you can play with on this car. That's drive assist is great again if you're driving through various different if you're driving in off-road terrain and you want to see what's down the side in front of you, that helps a lot. Right, so let's go to the main home screen. You've got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, got the web browser, got live in control apps, of course, so you can download the app and control the car from your phone. Bluetooth, of course, ambient lighting, so you can change that to whatever color you prefer within the color the colors that they offer. I'm not quite sure how do we select color. Pass, I don't know. Normally it pops up, I'm not sure, I'd have to look into that one. Back to the main screens, you've got deployable towbar, which you can deploy from this screen as well as the boot button that you have, that I showed earlier. Deployable side steps, which are great. They're like a £3,000 to £4,000 option. The roof access option means that you can deploy the side steps permanently. Off-road takes them off permanently, so you've got that feature there, which is quite useful to have. Of course, for the media, you've got DAB radio, FM, etc. So if you go to your source there, you've got radio, you've got online media as well you can use. Navigation, you can of course zoom in, zoom out. It's very nice and easy to use, not like the old system that they put in the Range Rovers. And that's about it, guys. That's our 2019 Range Rover Sport Autobiography, the 3-litre SDV6 with over 300 horsepower. One private owner, loaded with 7 seats option, the head-up display, tow bar side steps, all blacked out. Looks fantastic. Now, of course, we do offer finance packages which we can tailor to suit you. Please give us a call. The finance deals are live on our website underneath each vehicle, but if you want us to come up with something different, just have a chat and we'll see what we can do for you with our specialist brokers. Other than that, it's all nice and simple. We can take a deposit. Once you've paid, we can have the car delivered to you. It's £1.50 a mile on an open trailer or £2 on an enclosed trailer. The car is of course still under manufacturer's warranty, so you don't need to worry about that because it's all covered by Range Rover, and of course their assistance package, which is like their breakdown service. We've just had it serviced at our workshop as Land Rover proves they've updated the online Land Rover service history, so it's just been serviced, that's done, and prior to that it's had 2 services at Land Rover, so it literally wants for nothing. It's a great vehicle, great example, looks fantastic. Give me a call if you're interested, drop me a text or an email, more than happy to discuss it with you. And that's pretty much it. If you find our video informative and would like to keep up to date, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you'll see all the stock as it comes in. Thank you very much for watching. Adios, good night.